Hello. Today we're going to show you the proper way to check the motor oil in your car. First, make sure your car is parked on a level surface and that the engine has had time to cool down. Let it sit for at least 20 minutes before checking so the oil can drain into the pan. Next, locate the dipstick with the yellow handle under the hood, pull it out, and wipe it clean with a dry cloth. Then, reinsert the dipstick, wait a few seconds, and pull it out again. You'll see markings on the end of the dipstick to indicate the oil level. The ideal level should be between the minimum and maximum marks. If it's below the minimum, add some oil. If it's in the middle or at the maximum, you're good to go. If the oil level is above the maximum mark, you'll need to drain some oil. You can do this using a large syringe and a tube, making sure to have a container ready to catch the excess oil. When choosing motor oil, it's best to consult with the seller or car manufacturer to find the right type for your car. It's also important to have a complete oil change done periodically at a specialized service. The frequency of this depends on the service life of your oil, which is usually indicated on the canister. Let us know in the comments if you found these instructions helpful and easy to understand. Bye-bye.